skin requires a commitment, not a miracle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxy. I am Komal and I am a makeup artist. And in this video, I will share with you the skincare routine of a teenage girl. So, let's get started. During the teenage days, we need to take the maximum care of our skin because we usually tend to get acne, pimples, dark under eye, and in the longer run, wrinkles, dark pigmentations all over the face. So for that, we have to take care of our skin right now at this teenage age. The first step of taking care of your skin is using a face wash every day. Once when you wake up and once before you go to sleep. This is the Lotus Herbal Neem Face Wash. This has got neem and clove extracts. Neem helps your skin to prevent from getting acne and anti-blemish, works as an anti-blemish, and the clove helps us to get a cooling sensation on the face. How to use it is a very simple way. Take very little amount of it on the hand, few drops of water, massage it on the hands, and then massage it on the face in circular motion so that it takes off all the excess oil and dirt. Take lukewarm water and wash the face with it. The second step is using a toner. Using a rose water is the best toner for your skin. So why do we need a toner? When you clean your face, it takes out the dirt and oil from the pores that we have. So once the pore is opened up, we have to temporarily close it with something. For this, Khadi Herbal Skin Toner is one of the best toner that you can go for. It's very herbal and it is made up of all the natural extracts. It is very simple to use. Just take few drops of it on the cotton ball and very softly just dab it on the skin. Use it in dabbing motion on the face and make sure not to drag it because with that you will be harming your skin. So rose water is something which is very natural and best for teenagers. After the rose water, the next step is to use a moisturizer. Why is a moisturizer necessary? You cannot leave your skin bare after using a toner. You need to have a moisturizer to maintain the pH level of the skin. This is one of my favorite, which is from Faces Canada. This is Hydro Face Moisturizer with all the natural extracts. This one has also got SPF 15. The best part about this moisturizer is that it will hydrate your skin from within for a very long period of time. So take 2 pumps of it on the hand, massage it again and start it from the center of your face and go in circular motion. I can actually feel my face very hydrated and really plumped up with this moisturizer. People in their teens don't use sunscreen, which is a very important part for everyday routine. Why? Because as teenagers, we spend most of the times outside our home, going colleges, schools, tuition, spending time with our friends. That is the time when we really need to take care of our skin and protect our skin from UV rays. I like using this sunscreen from L'Oreal Paris. This is UV Protect Super Aqua Essence with a very good amount of SPF, which is SPF 50, which will protect your skin from sun and UV rays for a longer period of time throughout the day. The best part about this sunscreen is that it is a watery gel formula, which is very good for your skin to keep your skin hydrated. So take very little amount of it on the tips of the finger. Just massage it and again start it from the center of your face and blend it in circular motion. So ये बहुत easily blend हो गया है मेरे skin में and the consistency is really nice. You know what is the best part? All the products with the highest SPF usually feels heavy. But because of the watery texture, it's really lightweight. After this, the last step is to use a lip balm. Our lips are the most important and very sensitive part on the face. I like using this lip balm from Khadi Natural. This is a peach flavored lip balm. It is a herbal lip balm, so it's really nice with all the natural extracts. Take a little bit on the tip of the finger and put it all over the lips. This is a very important part because if you'll not moisturize your lips, then on a longer run and on a later run, you will have very dry lips and also pigmentation will also occur in the longer run. So this is the basic regime that all the teens should follow. I follow my regime every day and I want you also to follow your routine and make sure to protect your skin from all the harmful things outside, dust, sun and everything, and make your skin looks really nice and young for a long period of time. If you like this video, keep watching Foxy. Until then, stay fab, stay foxy.